Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Career Path Discussion series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of a data science manager. So, how can a data science manager balance the technical complexity of advanced data models with the need to communicate actionable insights to non-technical stakeholders, ensuring that data-driven decisions have a real impact on the business? Did you know that data science managers often oversee projects that can directly influence a company's bottom line, from optimizing marketing strategies to predicting customer behavior? In fact, business that leverage data-driven decision making are 5 times more likely to make faster decisions and achieve a competitive edge. A data science manager's ability to lead these initiatives can transform a company's entire approach to innovation and efficiency. So, without any delay, let's start the career path of a data science manager. In this video, we will discuss about these topics: introduction to the data science manager, roles and responsibilities, skills and qualifications, career development and opportunities, conclusion and call to action. So, introduction to data science management. The role of a data science manager has become one of the most sought after positions in the tech industry, combining leadership with data driven decision making. This position offers a unique blend of technical expertise and management skills. As organizations increasingly rely on data to guide their strategies, data science managers are essential in leading teams to analyze and extract insights from vast amounts of data. But what exactly does the career path of a data science manager entail? And how can you embark on this rewarding journey? Let's explore. So, who is a data science manager? A data science manager is a professional who leads and manages a team of data scientists to analyze and interpret complex data to help organizations make informed decisions. While data scientists focus on technical tasks like developing machine learning models and performing statistical analysis, a data science manager oversees these efforts, ensuring projects align with business goals, managing resources, and guiding the team's technical and strategic direction. A data science manager is a professional who leads and manages a team of data scientists to analyze and interpret complex data to help organizations make informed decisions. While data scientists focus on technical tasks like developing machine learning models and performing statistical analysis, a data science manager oversees these efforts, ensuring projects align with business goals, managing resources, and guiding the team's technical and strategic direction. Next, roles and responsibilities. A data science manager wears multiple hats, balancing both leadership and technical tasks. What are the key responsibilities? Team leadership, managing, mentoring, and growing a team of data scientists and analysts, providing guidance, feedback, and career development support. Project management, overseeing the planning and execution of data driven projects from start to finish. ensuring they are completed on time and within budget. Strategy alignment, collaborating with other departments like product, marketing, operations to ensure data science initiatives align with organizational objectives. Data analysis and insight generation. While the team conducts detailed analysis, the manager often helps interpret the results and translates them into actionable business insights. Stakeholder communication, effectively communicating complex data findings to non technical stakeholders, including senior leadership. Hiring and resource management, recruiting new data scientists, ensuring the team has the right skills and tools to perform effectively. Maintaining technical expertise, staying up to date with advancements in data science techniques, algorithms, and tools to keep the team competitive. What are the day to day activities? Data analysis and interpretation, collaboration with other departments, reporting and communication, continuous learning and adaptation. What are the skills and qualifications of data science manager? To thrive in this role, you will need a mix of technical expertise, leadership abilities, and soft skills. So, technical skills involve machine learning and statistical modeling, proficiency in developing models using Python, R, and other data science tools, data wrangling and data visualization, skills in cleaning, transforming, and visualizing data using libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and tools like Tableau or Power BI. Big data technologies, experience with big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, and cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Database management, strong understanding of SQL, NoSQL databases, and data architecture. Leadership skills, team management, ability to build and lead high performing teams, foster a collaborative culture, and handle conflict resolution. Project management, experience managing timelines, setting goals, and ensuring smooth execution of a data project. Communication, ability to present complex technical information to non technical stakeholders in a clear and understandable way. Soft skills like problem solving, strong analytical and critical thinking skills to approach complex data problems. Collaboration, ability to work across departments and with various stakeholders to achieve business goals. Adaptability, comfort with change given how fast the field of data science evolves. Then, what are the education and certifications? Bachelor's degree. Most data science managers start with a bachelor's degree in fields like computer science, statistics, mathematics, or engineering. Master's or PhD will be optional but helpful. Many data science professionals pursue a master's or PhD in data science, machine learning, or artificial intelligence for more specialized knowledge and to stand out in a competitive job market. Certifications. Certified Analytics Professionals, a certification that demonstrates expertise in analytics and data science. Cloud Professional Data Engineer, It validates the skills in managing data, machine learning models, and cloud-based data infrastructure. Uplatz certifications available for Azure Data Science Associate for those working with Azure's data tools. Platform certified machine learning, relevant for those using different web services for machine learning workloads. Career development and opportunities, how to start your journey. Start with a solid foundation. Pursue a degree in data science, statistics, or a related field. Gain proficiency in programming, machine learning algorithms, and data manipulation. Gain experience as a data scientist. Start your career as a data scientist or analyst, working on real world data problems, building models, and generating insights. Develop leadership skills. Look for opportunities to lead small projects or teams within your current role. Seek mentorship from senior leaders to build management skills. Master communication. Focus on translating technical concepts into business friendly language so you can effectively communicate with both technical and non technical teams. Stay curious and keep learning. Data science is a fast evolving field. Stay updated on new tools and techniques and industry trends through online courses, certifications, and conferences. Career growth and opportunities. As a data science manager, you have a wide range of career paths available. Senior management roles, moving into higher management, such as a director of data science or VP of analytics, where you will oversee larger teams or entire data science departments. Specialization, you could specialize in a specific domain, such as machine learning, deep learning, or data engineering, or lead specific verticals like AI or big data. Consulting or entrepreneurship. Data science managers often transition into consulting roles or start their own companies, leveraging their expertise in data driven business strategies. With the increasing reliance on data across industries, there are vast opportunities for career growth, and skilled data science managers are in high demand. What are the salary expectations of a data science manager? Salaries for the data science manager can vary significantly depending on factors such as experience, location, and company size. On an average, entry level people having 1 to 3 years of experience will earn between $110,000 to $140,000 per year. Mid level professionals having 3 to 5 years of experience will earn between $140,000 to $170,000 per year. Senior level professionals having 5 plus years of experience will earn between $170,000 to $200,000 per year. Additionally, many companies offer performance bonus, equity in the company, and benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Conclusion and call to action. Becoming a data science manager is an exciting and rewarding career choice, offering the opportunity to combine technical expertise with leadership. If you are passionate about working with data and leading teams to solve complex problems. This path could be your ideal next step. Start by honing your technical skills, gaining hands on experience in data science, and developing your leadership capabilities. The future of business relies on data driven decision making, and you could be the one leading the charge. If you are ready to begin your journey, pursue relevant education, seek mentorship, and start gaining experience as a data scientist or a team lead. The world of data science is waiting for your leadership. The next steps: how to get started. Begin by acquiring foundational skills in data science, gaining practical experience, and pursuing relevant certifications to build a strong career foundation. Encouragement to pursue the career with its blend of technical and managerial challenges. A career as a data science manager offers a rewarding and impactful journey for those passionate about data and innovation. Thank you for listening.